What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to linearize trigonometric function, and the function I want to talk about is secant x. The formula we need to use for linearizing a function is y equals to f of a plus f prime a times x minus a. That's going to be y equals to secant of 0 plus derivative of secant is secant x times tan x, which is going to be secant 0 times tan 0 times x minus 0. So secant 0 is going to be 1 over cosine 0 plus, here we have 1 over cosine 0 times tan 0 times x minus 0. Cosine 0 is 1, so we have 1 over 1, 1 plus 1 over 1 again, 1 times tan 0 is 0, so 1 times 0 is 0 times x minus 0 is going to be 0. So we have y equals to 1. Now let's do it on the second point. Although we are dealing with the same function, but since we are dealing with another point, we're going to have different approximation. So again, we can say y equals to f of a plus f prime a times x minus a. It's going to be y equals to secant of negative pi over 3 plus derivative of secant is secant times secant times tan. So it's going to be secant negative pi over 3 times tan of pi over 3 times x minus negative pi over 3. So that's going to be 1 over cosine negative pi over 3 plus 1 over cosine negative pi over 3 times tan negative pi over 3 times x negative times negative plus pi over 3. Now cosine pi over 3, cosine negative pi over 3 is going to be the same as cosine positive pi over 3, which will be 1 over 2. So 1 divided by 1 over 2 is going to be 2 plus, again this one is 2 times tan negative pi over 3 is negative, so it's going to be root 3 times x plus pi over 3. So that's going to be 2 root 3x plus 2 root 3 times pi over 3 plus 2. So that's going to be the approximation of secant function at x equals to negative pi over 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.